Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Techy Studio. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Mi Room on your Redmi Y2. So in my previous video, I had shown you how you can install Mi Room using a GSI. In this video, I'll show you how you can install Mi Room that's available as custom ROM on your Redmi Y2. So in the About section, over here it says it's running on Mi Room based on Android Pie. Although it's an old operating system, the security patch that's available for this ROM is March 2020. The only bug I have found on this ROM is that hotspot is not working properly and I don't know how to fix it. You can just comment down if you know. All the basic functionalities like mobile data, Wi-Fi and calling are working. Now let me show you that call is connecting. As you can see, there are no issues in calling. Now moving to lock screen, you find all the basic features including the option to turn on or off the charging animation. Now moving to passwords and security, over here you find fingerprint scanner working perfectly fine. Under sounds and vibration, all the features are functional. Over here you can manage your notifications. The main feature of this ROM is that the battery backup of this ROM is excellent, also there is no compromise in performance. Now moving to battery and performance, over here you get a special feature called Ultra Battery Saver. Now click the gear icon on the top right corner. Now you'll find the battery saver option over here. Once you enable this, all the background activities are turned off and only essential features like calling and messaging are kept enabled. Under special features, you get Game Turbo, wherein you can add games to optimize it and get better performance. You can also manage quick replies from here. I'm not sure if second space is working. Now moving to camera, over here you get default Gcam built in this ROM. All the features are fully functional. Also to specify, this ROM is not pre-rooted and you'll need to root if you want. For installing this ROM, you'll need two files. First, the ROM file and the other one, the zip that will help you to fix all the bugs. Let me show you the zip. So these are the two files that are required to install the ROM. Once you have downloaded both the zips, reboot to recovery. Once you are in your recovery, go to wipe and select System, Cache, Dalvik and Data and wipe. Now browse the Mi Room file you downloaded and install it. Now flash the patch that you have downloaded and reboot. You shall be booted into Mi Room. It may take 10 to 15 minutes to boot up. So if you enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe for more updates.